I could literally stay here forever and just cuddle my cat. Hello, my dear honey bunches of oats. Guess I'm feeling a little affectionate today with the new pet names. Okay. So for today's video, I thought I'd go ahead and share my evening/night routine with you guys because I realized I've never done that on my channel before. And on this channel, we're always serving diversité. I'm always trying to keep you guys on your toes. So I've actually just come back from my walk. That's usually how I like to kick off my evenings. Today, I just walked around my neighborhood, but yesterday I went on a beach walk with my friend Kristen. I really need to take advantage now that I live in Southern California again, because just being by the ocean during the sunset did wonders for my mental health. But anyway, I built up my appetite, so now I think we'll go ahead and get started on dinner. Okay, so there are a couple of tasks that I really want to get done before I really get to wind down and relax for tonight. So for dinner, I want something that I could prep really fast, but is also still healthy and not really junky, you know what I mean? So for today, I'm gonna prep one of my meals from Cook Unity. I am so excited to be partnering with Cook Unity because they're the very first chef-to-consumer delivery service that brings you restaurant quality meals right to your front door weekly. And these are not frozen TV dinners. These are made with real, organic, non-artificial ingredients. Each week, award-winning chefs craft hundreds of globally inspired meals. I absolutely love the variety that they offer, and as you can see, these meal portions are no joke. I'm always full after, which I really appreciate. The meals that I've had so far, babes, have been scrumdiddlyumptious. Also, if you have any dietary restrictions or preferences, they have over 7 different dietary filters such as vegan, paleo, or gluten-free. I also love how easy this service is for people with really busy lifestyles who maybe can't dedicate a lot of time to cooking or meal prepping. All of the meals are already cooked. They just need to be microwaved or popped in the oven. And there's essentially like no cleanup when you're done. So these have seriously been such a time saver. Tonight for dinner, I'm having the lemon butter roasted salmon made by Chef Brandon Kita, so why don't we just go ahead and dig in? I have no words. I'm in pure bliss. And look at how huge this piece of salmon is. Like, they are not holding back. So if this sounds like something that you also want to try out, Cook Unity is offering a very generous discount to my viewers. Go to cookunity.com/LeilaniRika, or you can click the link in my description box and use code LeilaniRika50 and you will get 50% off your first order of Cook Unity meals. Thank you again so much to Cook Unity, and now I'm gonna finish up my beautiful salmon dinner. So since I have quite a bit I need to do tonight, I wanted to do a quick little cleaning before I move on to my next activities. I just tend to have a difficult time concentrating when my surroundings are a mess. So I hope you enjoyed this cleaning compilation. I tend to find these really satisfying. So yeah, I guess I'll stop talking now. Enjoy. So I just ran out of this Bath & Body Works candle. This is Tipsy Elf. This one was so freaking good. But since this one is done, I went over to my Bath & Body Works candle stash, and this time I'm going to be using Marshmallow Fireside. This one is so cozy. Like, I know that the holidays are over. All my candles are still really Christmassy scents, but I'm not opposed to that at all. I hear someone at the door.
Hi, sweet boy. Hi, handsome.
You're the cutest little nugget in the world. Did you know that? vibes, so I'm feeling a lot better now that my room is a little bit tidier and cleaner. I'm actually pretty good at keeping my room tidy most of the time. I just let a lot of dust and like debris build up, so I definitely could be better about wiping things down. I could literally stay here forever and just cuddle my cat, but I need to hop onto my laptop and just get a couple more things done, and then we can cuddle as much as we want. And I wonder why I have so much fur on my face. Alrighty ladies, so I'm pretty much done with doing some emails and I just updated my Notion. But girly pops, it's like not even 7:30 and I'm so tired. I don't know if it's just me, but I get extremely tired like right at sunset, and then I usually try to push through that and then I can't sleep until like 2 a.m. I really wish I would just get tired at a normal time. Like my boyfriend is the type of person that like once his head hits the pillow, he's knocked out. But I, on the other hand, have a really hard time falling asleep. Let me know if you guys are more like morning people or nighttime people. Honestly, it's pretty common for me to work really late into the night, but I think I'm just gonna cut it off here. I think I'm gonna draw myself a bath, which I haven't done in so long, but I really want to enjoy them while it's still wintertime and the weather is nice and cold, because in the summertime, you can't catch me in a bath, no. 1, 2, 3. This is only such a feeling that you'll know when you learn to love yourself. Without you, I don't know. Without you, I don't know. So I made some very milky chamomile tea, and now I'm pretty much ready to wind down. I want to kind of create a nice cozy ambiance before we sit down and chat. I do have this fireplace and I haven't used it in like over a year, and I feel like it's about gosh darn time. All right, let's just pray that this doesn't blow up in my face. Oh, is it not turned up enough? That scared the shit out of me. Oh my god, babes, the fireplace is such a vibe. Honestly, worth getting my face like almost blown off. And that's the tea. So I brought out this little card game. This is Burning Questions. ASMR, ASMR, ASMR. But anyway, I have not, whoa. It's just one of those fun card games that have a bunch of questions. They're great if you're trying to get to know someone. So I thought it'd be kind of fun if we answered them together. And I want you guys to also answer these questions as well in the comments, so I'm not the only one. Okay, I'm clearly terrible at shuffling these, but let's just start answering. Who would you kiss in this room? Next question. Have you ever peed yourself? Have you, bestie? I feel like I'm not even answering these. Presented with the opportunity to be immortal, would you take it? No. What topic are you tired of hearing about? Andrew Tate. My sister told me that recently Demon Slayer season 2 is out on Netflix, so I think we need to check that out immediately. Oh my god, is anyone else obsessed with the Great British Baking Show? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Yes, please. So I mentioned in my very first vlog of the year that I've actually been writing down like mini journal entries in my planner. I've managed to write down short little entries every single day for the month of January. So I'm hopefully gonna keep it up in February. I missed the past couple days, so I'm just gonna take the time to write down a short little summary of what I did that day. So hopefully I could look back in a year from now and just have a nice little recap if I ever wanna look back on what I was doing every single day this year. Alright, honey butter biscuits. I'm just gonna continue to give you guys like weirder and weirder little nicknames. I hope you enjoy. I just feel like there's so much going on. I like cannot move my face. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed watching this little night routine. I think after this, I'm just gonna wash everything off and get ready for bed and call it a night. Hold on, I need to take these off. I feel like they're like stinging. That is not right. Oh my god, I feel like I gained like so much mobility in my face. Anyways, I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. Thank you so much for always commenting and liking. This is truly just like the cutest little community on YouTube. I just could not be more grateful. I'm sending you guys so much love, and until next time, bye bye.